Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launch on PC. To fix the issue of Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching on your PC, start by clicking on the search bar located on your taskbar and typing Device Manager. When it appears, click on it to open the window showing a list of options. Next, expand the Display Adapters section, right-click on Intel R, HD Graphics 530. Then, select Update Driver to make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Another way to help resolve the problem is by clearing temporary files. Now, open the Start menu and select Run. In the Run box, type %tmp% and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files displayed there to remove any corrupted data that might be interfering with the game launch. Finally, restart your computer to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on your taskbar, click the power button, and select Restart. Once your PC reboots, try launching Ghost Recon Wildlands again. This should help fix the issue and allow the game to start properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.